Hi everyone. Today I'll demonstrate how to create a bouncing laser effect using Niagara ribbons. First, let's create our input action key. I'm naming it IA Shoot. Now let's configure it in IMC default. I choose right mouse click for Shoot. Next, open the third-person template. Create these vector variables, start, end, direction, and path points as a vector array. Also create a Boolean variable visual. Right-click and search for IA Shoot. Use the visual variable for a branch check. If it's false, set visual to true. Then create a set timer by event node. Set time to 0.05. Tick loop and promote the output to our timer handler. When IA Shoot completes, set visual to false and use the timer handle to clear the timer. Create an event for the timer event. I rename it Showline. First, use the path points variable and clear it. To set the start variable, I create an arrow component and use its location. For direction, use getActorForwardVector. Add start to path points. Use a for loop with break node. Set the last index to 3. For the end variable, multiply direction by 50,000 and add it to start. Right-click and search for line trace by channel. Set start to start, end to end. Set draw debug type to for duration with a 0.1 draw time. Use a branch node to check if it hit something. If true, add out hit impact point to path points. Set start to impact point plus impact normal. Set direction using Get Reflection Vector, using Impact Normal as Surface Normal. If false, add into path points and break the loop. Drag the player BP into the level to test debug draw. Did you see the line bouncing? It worked. Now let's create a material for the Niagara Ribbon. Set it to translucent and tick two-sided. Use a particle color node, multiply by 20, plug into emissive color. Connect the A output to the opacity input. Next, create the Niagara Ribbon. I used a fountain emitter. Delete the sprite renderer. Add a ribbon renderer and assign the material. Set facing mode to custom. Set ribbon tessellation mode to disabled. Delete unnecessary modules. Under emitter state, set life cycle mode to self. Loop behavior to once. Loop duration mode to infinite. Add spawn burst instantaneous and beam emitter setup module. Link the user parameter to spawn count. Create an array vector user parameter named path points. An initialize particle. Set lifetime to 0.1. Set color to red. Set ribbon width to 10. In particle spawn section, add spawn beam module. Add a new scratch module. Add ribbon link order. Add array vector. Multiply array vector length by ribbon link order. Use a get node and input index. On map set node, add particle position. Set position using path points user parameter. Now go back to the player blueprint. After the loop completes, use spawn system at location. Assign Niagara Ribbon system. Use start as location input. Drag the output Niagara system and search for set Niagara variable int32. Use path points length for input value. Go to Niagara system and copy the spawn count variable name. Paste it into variable name. Right-click and search for Niagara set vector array. Use path points variable and assign to array data. Copy path points variable name from Niagara and paste into parameter name input. Done. Let's test it. You can change the number of bounces by adjusting the loop's last index. If it's helped you, please like and subscribe the video. Thanks for watching.